Hi children, good morning. Now we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What children? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Children, in the previous classes we have studied the trigonometric ratios of specific angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree children. Now we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here this chapter is about right angle triangle. So let this is a right angle triangle A, B, C. Right angle at B children. Okay children. So we know that in any triangle sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. Yes. So that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much children? 180 degree. In this angle B alone is 90 degree. So how much angle A plus angle C? Angle A alone is 90. This 90 goes that side. 180 minus 90. Okay children. So angle B alone is 90. So angle A plus angle C collectively will be how much children? 90 degree. It means sum of these two angles are 90. So these two angles are called as complementary angle of each other. That is, you can write angle A is equal to 90 degree minus angle C, or angle C is equal to 90 degree minus angle A. This is called as a complementary angle. We know that when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, each angle of that is complementary to each other. Okay children. So this we are going to study here. And in this situation, suppose children, so for each angle, suppose for example sine 90 degree minus A. Sine 90 degree minus A. So children, here we are taking sine 90 degree minus A. So you can take any value in place of A, you can take whatever children. I am taking suppose 30 degree. A is equal to 30 degree. So what can I write children? Sine 90 degree minus 30 degree is equal to how much children? Sine 60 degree. 90 degree minus 30 degree children? Sine 60 degree. And sine 60 degree value how much children? Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And in terms of cos, which angle's value is root 3 by 2 children? That is nothing but this root 3 by 2 value is for cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. That is sine 90 degree minus A is equal to, in terms of, if you are writing this in terms of cos, how much this is? Here 30 degree, in place of 30 we took A. So here 30 degree in place of 30, what will write? A. That is sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Okay children. Here these two are complementary angle children. Okay children. Now number 2. Similarly, cos 90 degree minus A is equal to, same children, cos 90 minus 30 degree is equal to cos 60 degree, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is equal to sin 30 degree, because 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30. That is what we can write children. Cos 90 degree minus A is equal to sin A. Okay children, here A 30, so this 30 again A. Okay children. Similarly, number 3. Now I am not going to solve each and every with example. Directly I will write children. I hope you can understand. If not, you can check it like this. So next, third one. Sin cos tan 90 degree minus A is equal to cot A. This is one formula. Next, cot 90 degree minus A is equal to tan A. This is also. Now children, after that, sec 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec A. Here cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to sec A. See children, you should not be confused when we relate the sine and cosec. Sine is inversely related to the cosec, that is sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. But here children, sec and cosec, don't go confuse that sec was related with cos. So here sec 90 minus theta, don't write cos theta. Sec 90 minus A is cosec A. That relation was different, this relation is different. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. These are the three relations children. On this basis we have to solve some questions children. Hope you understood and will by her remember this one. This sin 90 minus A, cos A. You can say sin 90 minus theta also, that is not matter. Cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A, sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A children. Children, now we are going to solve questions of exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3, question number 1. Question number 1 is evaluate there are some bits. Bit number 1, it is tan 36 degree upon cot 54 degree. Tan 36 degree upon cot 54 degree. So children, what happens here? So in this type of question children, this you can say 36 and 54, 6, 4, 10, 5, 3, 8 and 1, 9. So sum of these two angles are 90 degree. Is it not? When you add these two angles, you will get that the sum will be 90 degree. It means these two are complementary angles. And when these two are complementary angle, either you convert numerator in the form of denominator or denominator in the form of numerator. Okay children? So it is tan A. What is tan A is equal to in complementary angle formula? In ratio of trigonometric ratio of complementary angle, what is the formula? Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. Here in place of A, what is there? 36 degree. Divide by, either you convert this in this form, tan in the form of cot or cot in the form of tan. Don't convert both. Otherwise situation will come again the same. Okay children? Any one you have to convert, either numerator or denominator, such that they can be cancelled and we can get the answer as numeral. So I am converting here numerator. You can convert denominator in the form of numerator. So tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A, and denominator is already cot 54 degree. How children, how can you say? Formula is tan A is equal to cot 90 degree minus A. Okay children? So is equal to cot 90 minus A. Now 90 minus A, same value will get. Cot 90 minus the 36, 54 degree, and denominator is already cot 54 degree. Same value, same answer. So we will get 1. Only in the case of specific ratios, specific values, specific angles, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, you have to remember the values of all 6 trigonometric ratios. If rest of the angles are given, they will be solved in this type here and they will be automatically cancelled and you will get answers in some numerals. Okay children? Right. So bit number 2. Bit number 2. What is the bit number 2? Cos 12 degree. Cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. So you have to identify either the given angles are complementary or not. 12 plus 78 again 90. So these two angles may be complementary. So let this equal to right. You will convert this one or that one as you wish. If you are taking this one, cos A is equal to sin 90 minus A. In the place of cos A, I can write sin 90 minus 12. Or you can convert this also as you wish. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus 78. As you wish, children. If you are taking this one, it will be converted in the form of sin 18. If you are taking this one, it will be converted in the form of cos 12. I am converting this one. So cos A is equal to sin 90 minus, in the place of A, 12. Already here sin 78 degree. How can you say cos 90 minus A? 90 degree minus A is equal to sin A. Already I have proved it also. Okay, children. So sin 90 minus 12. 90 minus 12 nothing but 78 minus sin 78 degree. Sin 78 degree minus sin 78 degree, how much, children? 0. So I told now you will get the answer in numerals. Either 0, 1, 2, whatever. Either it will be same number minus same number 0, or same number divides cancel, or whatever, children. Next, so bit number third. Bit number third, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. First you have to check, children, either they are their sum is 90 or not. 31, 1 plus 9, 10. Carry 1. That carry 1 plus 5, 6 and 3, 9. Yes. So you can convert. I will convert this one this time. So is equal to, I am keeping the first one as it is, and to second one, sec A is equal to, yes, children, what I told here, sec and cosec. Sec and cosec are interrelated. So in place of sec A, I am writing cosec 90 degree minus 59 degree. Why, children? Because sec A is equal to cosec 90 degree minus A. That is the formula. Okay, children. So here cosec 31 degree minus cosec 90 minus 59, same 31 degree. Cosec 31 minus cosec 31, 0. Now come to bit number 4, children. Sin 15 into sec 75. Sin 15 degree into sec 75 degree. Sec 75 degree. So, children, here what about the 15 plus 75? Is it 90? Yeah, it is 90. So sin 15 degree. Here, children, sin given, it's a sec given. Are they can be interconvertible? No. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A, not the sec 90 minus A. So either you convert this or that. Which one you want to take? Any one. But sin cannot be converted directly to sec. Sin can be converted to cos, and sec can be converted to cosec. Okay, children, I kept the first as it is. Into, now sec A. Sec A can be written as a cosec 90 degree minus 75 degree. Because the formula is sec A is equal to cosec 90 degree minus A, children. Okay. So, as it is, let come sin 15 degree into, here what is cosec 90 minus 75, 15. We got the angle same, but it is a sine, it is a cosec. We know that sine and cosec are inversely related. That is, we can write sine 15 degree into, in place of cosec theta, in terms of sine, we can write 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta. So, sine 15, 1 by sine 15. Cancel. You will get 1. So, should be careful, children, in this type of question. Mathematics is nothing but a movement by step, movement with step by step. Should not fear. Here are a sine and sec have no relation. First you move on as per normal process, then automatically you will get some clue what you have to do. Because sine, suppose you want to convert sine, so you have to keep sec 75 as it is. To sine, what you can write? Sine can be converted in cos. So in place of sine 15 degree, what can you write? Cos 90 minus 15 degree into sec 75. Suppose in place of sine, what can you write? Cos 90 minus 15 degree, is it not? Into sec 75 degree. So cos 90 minus 15, 75 degree into sec 75 degree. So cos 75 degree into sec and cos have relation. How? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cos 75 cancel. Again you can get 1. So children, you can do in this way or that way. That is not the matter. We should get the correct answer, children. Process should be correct. If you are moving with correct process, 100% sure you will get the answer. Okay, children? And this type of question, you should not see the fair note, you should not see the question bank, or should not go for Google. You should try again and think of what can I do, how can I get the answer. If with own thinking you are able to do, it will be stored in mind. If you are solving the question by seeing the solution from somewhere, then temporarily you can do it, but later you will forget, children. Okay, children? And the last bit of this question is tan 26 degree into tan 64 degree. Check it. 4 plus 6, 10. 6, 2 plus 8, 1 carry 9. So this is also a complementary angle pair. Okay, either you convert this or convert that as you wish. I am taking here, in place of tan 26, I am writing cot 90 degree minus 26 degree into tan I am keeping 64. I have told if only pair of 2, so convert only one. Convert only one such that they can be cancelled. If this you are converting in cot, this you also are converting in cot. Again cot it will come. So it's a useless. One is tan, other is cot, so it can be cancelled, children. So don't convert both. Convert only one. How we can say? Tan A is equal to cot 90 degree minus A, children. So cot 90 minus 26, how much, children? Obviously it is 64 degree into tan 64 degree. Now you have to check that is there any relation between them, tan theta and cot theta. Yes, they are inverse of each other, multiplicative inverse of each other. So what can I write? Cot 64 degree into tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta. Same degree, cot. Cancel. Again you got the answer 1, children. Okay, children.